Let's start at the very beginning with the original Xbox, which was released in 2001, because this is where everything started and where Microsoft took a huge risk by entering a gaming industry that was already dominated by companies like Sony and Nintendo, and at the time, nobody really knew if Xbox would even survive. The original Xbox was a home gaming console that focused heavily on performance and innovation, and one of the biggest things that made it stand out compared to other consoles at the time was the fact that it included a built-in hard drive, which was something that was not common back then and allowed for better game storage and smoother experiences. This console was extremely important because it marked Microsoft's entry into the gaming world. And without this first step, there would be no Xbox brand today. But what really made it special was how it started building the foundation for online gaming through Xbox Live, which allowed players to connect and play together in a much more seamless way compared to what existed before. Since this was the first Xbox, there was no previous generation to compare it to. But compared to its competitors, it delivered stronger graphics, better online features, and a more powerful overall experience. One of the most impactful details about this console was the release of Halo Combat Evolved, which became one of the most important games in gaming history and played a massive role in making Xbox successful, because without Halo, there is a very real chance that Xbox would not have been able to compete with PlayStation at all. Moving on to the next generation, we have the Xbox 360, which was released in 2005, and this is the console that truly pushed Xbox into the mainstream and made it one of the biggest names in gaming. The Xbox 360 was designed to improve everything from the original Xbox, including performance, design, and especially online gaming, and it introduced a much more polished and user-friendly experience that appealed to a much larger audience. This console was incredibly important because it expanded Xbox Live into something that became essential for gaming, turning online multiplayer into a core part of the experience rather than just an extra feature. And this is where gaming started to feel more connected and social than ever before. Compared to the original Xbox, the Xbox 360 had a more modern design, significantly better performance, and a much stronger focus on digital content, downloadable games, and online interactions, which completely changed how people played games. However, one of the most well-known and impactful details about the Xbox 360 was the Red Ring of Death, which was a major hardware issue that caused many consoles to fail. And even though this problem was very serious and damaged Microsoft's reputation for a time, the console still managed to become one of the most successful gaming systems ever. After the original Xbox 360, Microsoft released improved versions, starting with the Xbox 360 Slim in 2010, which was smaller, quieter, and fixed many of the overheating problems, and then later the Xbox 360e in 2013, which had an even cleaner design that matched the style of the next generation while improving overall reliability. Next, we move on to the Xbox One, which was released in 2013, and this generation is often remembered as a controversial one because of the decisions Microsoft made at launch. The Xbox One was designed to be more than just a gaming console, as Microsoft wanted it to be an all-in-one entertainment system where users could watch TV, use apps, and do multiple things in one place, but this shift in focus ended up creating problems. This console was important, not because it was perfect, but because it showed how critical first impressions are, as Microsoft introduced policies that required the console to be always online and placed restrictions on game sharing, which players strongly disliked and criticized heavily. Compared to the Xbox 360, the Xbox One had improved hardware and more features, but it also moved away from a pure gaming focus, which caused a negative reaction from the community and allowed competitors like Sony to take the lead during this generation. The most impactful detail about the Xbox One was its bad launch decisions, because even though Microsoft eventually fixed many of these issues and improved the console over time, the damage had already been done and it affected the console's overall success. Later on, Microsoft released the Xbox One S in 2016, which was a smaller and more refined version that supported 4K video and had a much better design, and then the Xbox One X in 2017, which was a very powerful upgrade that focused on delivering true 4K gaming and became the most powerful console available at the time. Finally, we arrive at the current generation with the Xbox Series X, which was released in 2020 and represents a major step forward in performance, speed, and overall gaming experience. The Xbox Series X is designed to deliver high-end gaming with extremely fast load times, thanks to the use of SSD technology, and it allows for smoother gameplay, better graphics, and higher frame rates, making games feel more responsive and immersive. This console is important because it reflects a shift in how people access and play games, as it focuses not only on hardware improvements, but also on services like Game Pass, which allows players to access a large library of games through a subscription model rather than buying each game individually. Compared to the Xbox One, the improvements are massive, with faster performance, significantly reduced loading times, and better visual quality, but the biggest change is how games are delivered and consumed through services instead of traditional purchases. The most impactful detail about this generation is Game Pass, because it completely changes the gaming experience by giving players access to hundreds of games at a relatively low cost, making gaming more accessible than ever before. Alongside the Xbox Series X, Microsoft also released the Xbox Series S, which is a smaller, cheaper, and less powerful version that does not include a disk drive and is aimed at players who want a more affordable way to experience next-generation gaming. Thank you for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to watch some of my other videos.